Now, this is the control panel soft color section where we already wrote our name. I already explained before now. From the control panel, you're actually asked to scroll down to WordPress. But if you have installed your own WordPress software, please don't install again. So when you click on install, it takes you to the installation window. So here you can use write out the writing name you wish to use for the website. For example, under the domain domain here we have a domain name which is this. This is the main domain, and here is more like the subdomain, the directory. So for example, I could call this devtech.org.ng/club. So if and then let me choose a password, pass123 as my password for this site, and then this site name, just choose any site. Let me use this name already. I could change this, so I'll leave it as the same. Okay. And then the next thing to do is to click on install. So we'll allow it to install, and then within it may take up to this, but sometimes it's fast. So this is the site. We've already installed the site, but then we need to work on it. So if I open this now and allow it to load, you see this site is just empty. There's no information there, and nothing has been developed. So I can actually edit this site by doing some necessary things. What I'm to do, I can design my own template, create a layout, or I would import an existing template designed by some graphics designer. But in the course of our club or our lessons, we'll be able to learn how to design templates. Okay, so let me go back to the dashboard. To go back to the dashboard, the administrative URL, all I need to do is to make sure I know the name, which is this devtech.org.ng/club/wp-admin. If I take this and I open it to take me straight to my login area. What about if I'm using another browser, another computer? I can actually, maybe if I go to my site, which is this, hmm, and if I want to log in, I could use slash here login to still take me to the back end to log into my website. Is that clear? And here I have the username as admin and the password as, of course, you saw me when I wrote pass 123. So pass 123. So if I click on login, I'm going to log in. So that is how you need to learn how to save your password. And of course, it's always very important we use a notepad to save our passwords. So my website is my website is you can use www.devtech.org.ng/club. That's my website. And then to log in, I have to then the password is pass123. And I've said always try to make sure you save your information on the desktop. So if I scroll down, you'll see it on the desktop website details. So it's very important you don't forget them. So I can save it there here. As you can see, I, I have my website details here. So let's go back to the site to my work. Now I would like to also change this theme because I don't like the way it looks. So I like to change it. I want to have a different layout for my website. So what I can do is if I go down to appearance themes, yeah. So this is the one I'm currently working on. I could change this to this. Let's see live preview of this. Doesn't really make sense, or maybe if I don't like it. But let me activate and publish it. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so let's refresh this. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so I have this site that's changed. So I have some page here. I have home, I have about us, I have, I write some things, and I have the contact us page. So I can use this home. So I can upload any information I use. So, but in the course of the lesson, while we still learn other things, I like to show you just to do this one, and then show you how to upload materials, videos, and other things for your website. Also, you can also change it if you don't like this design. I can still go back to my dashboard, go to appearance, and then under, I could say, add a new theme. So the WordPress section has millions of themes. So there are popular ones, latest ones, and other kinds of themes. So there are so many ones, so many themes. These are nice looking themes around. So if I need themes for fashion, robotics, solutions, other kind of websites, so I can select them and then I will install them. These are all free themes for website. So let me look for something. I think I would like this color mark. See this one, there are different things to select for. So you can select something and use it to design a website. So okay, let's use this. So let me install this one, and then I'm installing it now. It's waiting to install. So and then I'll have to activate it. So as soon as it's activated, so I just finished installing the theme. So let me visit the site. So if I open my site now, as you can see, my site has changed. The site just changed. So I have a home sample page, and if I want the demo page, if I want the demo site here, we recommend installing this plugin. This provides multi-site demo and add advanced features to the site. So I can get the demo and I can import it, import site demo. So before I import it, there are some plugins I need to install first of all. So I have to be sure that I have this site has the plugin, the right plugin. Plugin is also another name for software. So let me check if I have the right plugins for my site. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is the plugin now. I need to activate it. So activated. All right. Okay. So I'm installing this free one. There are so many free demo sites to install from. You can choose any free demo site. Okay, so this is the one I was trying to install. There are other free demo sites. This one is also free. Alright, let's install this and then click on start importing. Okay, so view site. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, some improved version of my site now. So I have an improved version of the website. So this is it. So I can edit this page, change the informations I want here. So close this here. Yeah, build. Oh, okay, I could change this, select all these things. I'll clean this up to write rules view coding. So then put some content here. Then change this image. I'll click here, and here image, here replace. So I can search for an image online from the school website, or if I have any image at all. So I go upload. So let's say I want to check for an image online. Let me look for Roseville School. But then we're still going to get image from the school, and then use pictures from our own school. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Let's try to get pictures. Let me take these pictures. So, and then let me save these pictures. Save it. It's always good to create a folder on the desktop and call that folder website, so that whenever you save content, you save website. So I'll close this and I'll close. Let's click on event to see the other events. So you can close this and I'll close the other one. Okay, no information here. Let's close this. Alright, so now I'll go back to the image. So upload. Let me upload my file. If I click upload, I'll go to desktop. This is the folder I created before, website, and then I can now upload the image. So here is the image. I can add a caption if I want to, but then here I could change this to we build robots, create apps, and solve problems. Then here to clean this, if I update, then I'll click on update. Update here means I'm trying to update my site. So if I give anybody this website, they will see this information. So the same thing you do here to change your informations, update site, change these words, change these pictures, and do other things that will suit you. Or you select any other template you wish to use. So thank you very much. I'd like to stop here. But before I stop, let me also quickly show you. If I click here to edit, I can edit this to the same platform. Just this is just a basic layout, a basic setup to build this site. So other lessons will come to show you other things to do. But then I'm going to drop a video here. I'll drop a video here. Click. Okay, I'll drop a video here for those of us that don't know that there's a video here. Click here for our video tutorial. So I'll create a link and I'll link this up. So thank you very much.